Hello everyone, this is now week 6 of 4th quarter. Into this week, we're expected to distinguish and describe the NOT operator, apply the NOT operator in displaying records in our query, use the NOT operator to display specific data, construct and apply the NOT operator using the query design grid. Okay, so to start with, let's have a short demonstration which is included in our day number 1. So, NOT operator. Another operator that you can use in our query expression is the NOT operator from the word NOT, which tells the MS Access which record should not be displayed. Okay? So study the following expression and their respective result. So we have here for this expression not female. Not female, which means it show or it will display any information except for the record of female. Okay, except for the records of female, because you are going or you specify on the query that you should not show information about female. Okay, again another not 100, which means you are giving information or direction or instruction to the query that the query should not show any information which has a value of 100. Okay, so again another not a and asterisk. What does the asterisk means? Asterisk means any letter, so which means the query should not display any information that is start with the letter A. Okay, that is start with the letter A. So that is how the not operator work. From the word itself, not, it should not be displayed. Okay, now this is how are you going to specify the not operator or use the not operator in your query design grid. So we have here the word not, open parenthesis, then your criteria is enclosed with double quotation mark. Okay, so if you're going to read this one, it will go the queries are going to show information except for grade 6, except for the information of all grade 6. Kasi nga, in-specify or we specify not grade 6. Okay? Or show any information except grade 6. Okay? So, for better understanding, let's have a short demonstration. So, first step is to, of course, open your database, then create a new query, and double-click the table on the Show Table dialog box to add it or to add the table to our upper pane. Then, of course, double-click the field names in the upper pane or from the upper pane to add it to the lower pane of our query design grid. Okay, or of course, the name of my database will be other table or another or other operator. But for you, I guess that is inventory system database. Okay, so let's open our database. Okay, then in order for you to create a new query design, click create tab. After create tab, query design, and under the show table dialog box, make sure that your table is selected, then click add. Then you may close the show table dialog box, then double click the field names to add it to our lower pane. Okay, so now let's check our module, what it says. So in our module, we're going to use the criteria of not grade 7, but we are going to put it on our under the grade level. Why are we going to put it under the grade level? Where can you see the word or the grade level of the students? Of course, under the grade level field names. You cannot see grade 7 or you cannot find any information of grade 7 under first name, but you can find information of grade 7 under grade level. Okay, so not, so just type in the word not, then open parenthesis, not, then double quotation mark. Again, how are you going to create a double quotation mark using your keyboard? Just press and hold your shift key, and while pressing and holding your shift key, then press double quotation mark. Reminder that double quotation mark and the two single quotation mark is different. So not, open parenthesis, then double quotation mark, grade 7. Grade 7, then double quotation mark again, then close parenthesis. So that's it. That is how are you going to enter, or how are you going to establish or apply the not operator using the query design grid. So it's time now to see the result of our query. Just click run or datasheet view, it's up to you, it's the same function. So for me, I'm going to click run. So let's see. Okay, so it doesn't show, or our query doesn't show grade 7 student, but it show grade 1 and grade 6 only, because we specify or we give instruction to our query design that the query design should not show information of all grade 7 student. So that's why our query design show only grade 6 and grade 1 students. Okay, so save your query. Just press Ctrl S to save it, then save it as not grade 7, then click OK. Okay, so that is how the not operator work. So it's very simple. So I guess you understand on how are you going to establish or apply the not operator, and I guess you understand also what is the purpose, or what is the purpose of the not operator. Why do we have the word not operator? So from the word itself, not, it means it should not show that information or that kind of information. So let me explain your activity. Of course, activity as always, it is included in our day number 2. So first step is to open your inventory system, dash your last name, comma, your first name database that you have created in our previous discussion videos. Then create a new query that should not, again, create a query that should not display records of 10 years old customer. Okay, it should not display records of any 10 years old customer. Then save the new query as not 10 years old query. So I guess that is clear. So good luck, Louisian, and God bless.